Sometimes your neighbors are your biggest haters.
So weird, I gotta look at him, but freak. You are a freak.
This is what happens when your crazy ex-wife comes to pick up the kids.
What is all this? What is all this? Get your phone.
I know this definitely won't end well.
Man, what they got going on? Let me see the shot, man. I was like, tell me to see the shot. I'm gonna see what them niggas got going on. Y'all good, bro? Who these niggas with these masks on?
Somebody went inside the room?
Yeah.
When? Just now?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Then she got the other pole. Let me get these other poles. It's one to your left, bud. You got another pole on?
Hey, them niggas. This nigga right there with the Drake, man. Right there. In the hood.
Get down, Red.
Who's that?
Y'all straight, bud? Y'all straight?
How many shots were those? Watch what happens when you catch the guy who stole your e-bike.
Okay. Do you have e-bikes in there? No. That's a fucking lie, bro. Give us the e-bike back you stole last time. We saw you fucking take it, so give it to us. Right now! Give us the e-bike right now. I don't want to hear your fucking bullshit. I'm gonna go fucking in there and take it. Okay, get the bike and let's go. Get that shit out of here. Give me the bike right now. Fucking kill you, dude. Give me that freaking off. Give me the off. The clicker, the garage door clicker. Dude, give me the boat. Boat speaker, bro. Right there in that back. Right there. All of this shit. Give the clicker. Fucking let the clicker go. Out. Fucking knock you out. God damn it. Dude, you come anywhere near that house again, you're freaking dead! Where did you put the clicker, dude? No one did. Someone stole it last night. Yeah, right. You fucking stole it, you motherfucker! Oh, yeah. Actually, better get off my no, hey. Hey. My son's like, go. Yo, when I have fun? In my house, like that? Hey, guess what? You better have some fucking cameras. Back cameras. The cops are coming right now for you, bro! They call the cops! You're going back to jail, probation, bro! Yeah, for sure. Good.
These guys stole the car in less than 2 minutes. when your girlfriend pulls up to your side chick's house.
Hey, is Darius in there? Huh? Darius in there? Hey, babe.
What's up?
What you doing?
I'm chilling.
Who house is this?
Please leave the property immediately. You are being monitored.
Who house is this? My nigga. Nigga, that's why you was accusing me of cheating. It don't matter who the fuck told, bitch. I should slap the fuck out you. What the fuck are you talking about?
Who you think this is?
Who is it?
Who you think this is?
I don't know.
Who you think it is?
You somebody he fucking with?
Who are you?
I'm his bitch. He just got out
not my bitch.
He just got. I just put him
No,
on
this
today.
not my bitch. No.
Look, I'm not trying to be that. Look, that nigga.
No, she gonna pull a gun. You better go.
Oh, there you.
She gonna pull a
I
gun.
don't give a fuck. I just wanted the video. Thank you. You accuse me? He ain't shit. He just left my house. He just left my house.
She's gonna pull a gun.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. So this your people? This your people? So why she gonna pull
You acting crazy, bro.
I'm not acting crazy. Why y'all?
Look at this creep.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain? Sure.
So who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about Ebike. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right. Are you sure? No idea. What?
When things go 0 to 100, this lady isn't playing around, sir.
Not interested, thank you. We're not interested, thank you.
I was just gonna let you know your dog got out.
My dog didn't get out.
It's right there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just helping some of your neighbors with all these guys right here. The
Don't
hand.
fuck around like that. Get out of here. Are you
What?
fucking kidding me? You tell me my dog got out?
What was that?
You tell me my dog got out? Get the fuck off my property.
Oh my
What
goodness.
the fuck? You go
Alrighty.
steal? I'm calling your company, dickwad. Get out of here
Okay,
now.
that's
Get the
fine.
fuck out of here.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Fuck off. That's kidding me.
This dude can't be serious.
You got a beautiful yard, man. Thank you. And I was gonna shit in there in a paper bag and take it with me. Fucking bullshit. You're a fucking pest. Who the fuck are these people?
awkward moments with the Amazon driver.
Oh, don't let that dog out, dude. Don't let that fucking dog out. No, it's not okay. I'll fucking kill it. I mean, I can kill you before you kill me. I'd shoot the fuck out of you and your dog, bro. Yeah, man. Good luck with that. Yeah.
Always pay attention to your surroundings. What's going on here? Someone's having a tough
You
day.
seen a black person, it was like, oh, hell no. It was like she was waiting for me to see what I was going to say. I honestly don't got time for this. This is why you shouldn't put me in areas where people are bougie. People are snobs here. They don't care about other people. They only care about themselves. They are selfish. They want everything to themselves. But don't want to help a kid out here hustling at the doorstep. They don't got balls enough to do what I do. They don't got no.
I have no explanation for this one.
That's hard to carry. I understand this, says the Africans. Stay home, she said. Fuck them, they'll fucking rape you. Yeah! I don't know if I'll ever get in this house again, but I love you, Grandma Judy! I love you, Grandma Judy! I love you! Where are you in the smoke?
Watch this guy.
Like a lot of fun.
No, me too. Thanks again for dropping me off and stuff.
Sure. You sure you don't want me to come inside for a drink? I'm an excellent bartender. Good with my hands.
I'm sure.
We watched some New Girl.
Oh.
Very Nick from New Girl coded, I've been told.
Tempting. I'm just kind of tired. Maybe next time?
Tired. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Next time.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Thanks.
Bye. Oh, and thanks for paying for dinner, by the way. Oh, but you can't come inside. Why not? Why can't you come inside? Oh, because you were nice to me all night.
Don't ever go out sad like this.
Get down! I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Get on the fucking ground! Get down on the ground! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Roll on your stomach!
I'm on my stomach, sir.
Keep your hands out or I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Put your hands behind your back!
We got Karen here.
Where's their fucking doorbell? Because seriously, if not, I'm gonna have to start slamming on the fucking door. I'm not okay with that. No, you know what? I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that. You can't face it. You're not gonna drive everyone crazy. I'm not doing it twice.
Items were missing from his room only to find this. When squirrels attack,
He's somewhere with an acorn. Ow! Fucker, attack me! You little bastard! Hey, fucker, get off me! He's attacking me. I'm gonna kill him right now. He's just freaking attacking me. I'm killing him. Let's get here. Shoot the daggum thing! No, stay!
nothing good happens in the dark.